If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
If you happen to be one of those who is struggling to shed some extra kilos post the new year, then this video is for you. Losing weight is not an easy task. It's a combination of a balanced diet and a proper workout regime. However, to up your pace, here are 3 simple weight loss drinks which are easy to prepare without burning a hole in your pocket. The properties of aloe make it one of the most versatile and magical ingredients for overall health as well as weight loss. Start your journey towards a better lifestyle with this natural ingredient. Prepare aloe vera juice. All you need to do is take a glass of water and add some aloe vera gel to it. Put the water in a pan and heat it while constantly stirring until the gel blends in with the water. Aloe vera has detoxifying properties that help cleanse the body, keeping your bowel movements smooth and healthy. Add some lemon juice to it and drink this elixir first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Make sure you consult a doctor before consuming aloe vera internally to avoid any complications. The next ingredient, ACV, is a common cooking item that has taken the world by storm with its weight loss benefits. You can add a little bit of it to your diet every day by either mixing it in your drinks or meals. All you have to do is add 2 teaspoons of ACV and 1 tablespoon of organic honey to a glass of warm water. ACV increases satiety, helping you eat fewer calories, which can ultimately lead to weight loss. This drink can be taken on an empty stomach or even after a meal. Are you searching for a daily elixir that is all-round spectacular for your health? Well, your search ends here. Here's how you can make this black and white superfood juice. In a glass of warm water, add some lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. These black and white seeds are low in carbs and high in fiber that helps one keep fuller for longer and hence on a list of weight loss drinks. So there you go. 3 weight loss drinks that will make your weight loss journey more effective, efficient and fruitful. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.